Hi guys! In today's video, we will show the simplest way to record TikTok videos on iOS and from your computer using the mobile app and desktop version of ApowerRec. First, we will demonstrate how to record using your iOS mobile devices. To get started, download the app from the App Store, then launch it once it is successfully installed on your mobile phone. Next, open the TikTok app to find the video you want to record. After that, return to the ApowerRec app, tap the Start button, and then hit the Start Broadcast button to proceed. Now, go back to TikTok to record the video you prefer. Once done recording, tap the red button and hit the Stop button to stop and save the recorded video. At this point, we will demonstrate how you can record your preferred TikTok video with the desktop version of ApowerRec. Download and install the app from the official website of this program. Once it is installed, launch it to use it further. Then, open the TikTok app on your computer and go back to the ApowerRec desktop interface to select the custom option and choose the area you want to record. Click the Rec button to start recording the TikTok video. Lastly, hit the Stop button to stop and save the recorded TikTok video. And that is the easiest way to record TikTok videos on iOS and computer with this program. Thank you for watching.